Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to show how to make a centerpiece by my 4-year-old. My daughter Haley wanted to make a video on how to make a centerpiece since she saw me doing videos for this channel, and I decided to record the process of cleaning up the area so it can look a little more organized. But as you can see, these two little girls were all over the place. Look, my little model waiting. My other model waiting. Oh my gosh. What a mess.
One eternity later.
Can you give one to Madeline too? Put him on the table, baby. Mm-hmm.
Madeline, help me. And this. Hold on. Put it right there. There you go.
Good job, Haley.
Mommy! Get her, Mommy.
Spit it out, Haley. Spit it out, Madeline.
You said me. You said me.
I did. Keep going, baby.
She ran away and you got her.
Whoop.
Her both fall off. Get her, Mommy.
It's okay. Keep going, baby. Beautiful.
I got two more. Ah! It was stuck on it. This one got apart. Ah!
Yeah, good job, baby.